Hello guys, so in this video we are going to check how to transfer the fund. So this is the PF new portal, and if you see below new tracking option, everything is available. And under service, if you go multiple new updates scheme, like a scheme certificate you can surrender. Scheme certificate, if you cross more than 9.5 years, you are eligible for pension scheme. So pension scheme first you have to apply, and if you don't want, then you can surrender also. Then service history, previously it was under review and management, now it shifted to here. And for transfer request, early it was one UN number, one account, one UN number was there, but now they mentioned request for transfer of account, so from one company to other company. So in this video what we are going to discuss is about the form 19 and 10C. Form 19 for fund withdrawal, so exit date is updated. So exit date also you can update by yourself, by marking here itself. Yeah, so simply click on this climbing. So if you click here, it will ask you your this detail. So whatever the detail is available, whatever the account number linked, so same account number you have to give here, and after that you can check it out. So once you give the detail, it will ask the confirmation. Just give the confirmation. Now if you see procedure for online claim, simply click on that. Now it asking is which form you want to submit. So here only three form. PF final settlement. So miss whatever the amount available as per your passbook, and make sure when you try to withdraw the fund, no. So previous company fund, every fund you have to transfer here. Otherwise, whatever the balance available in last company, that fund only you can withdraw. Then pension scheme, if you eligible, that 8.33% pension scheme is or no, 1250 every month contribution is done. So check your passbook. If balance is available, then form 10C you can apply. And say suppose you are in work, or you exited also, and you required some fund, instead of withdrawing full fund, you just required small fund, so you can apply for advance also. So in our case, we'll select form 19. So once you submit form 19, this is also new view. So Aadhaar verify service, if you click here, it will show you about your status, means fund transfer or not. Simply click here, it just shows previous employment and what is the status, transfer, settle down, so that only is available here. Then they are given certain points, like if PF service period is less than 5 years, then there will be a TDS deducted. So this employee is more than 5 years, so that's why no problem, no TDS will deduct, and no form 21 need to be enclosed. Yeah, so total amount how much available, that also they given the detail here. Yeah, so form 19 is simple, just select the form 19, how much balance is that detail also will come. Address by default it's came. So now go and select this last option, click on Aadhaar OTP. So click on here. Now Aadhaar OTP is when, simply submit it and close that one. So OTP is given, simply submit this. Yeah, so online claim submitted successfully. Now let me see. Yeah, so verification is done. Simply click here. Whatever the claim we submitted, claim receipt, means the member detail they are showing, then claim detail, how much claim is done, then KYC detail. So it's look good comparing to the previous thing. And yeah, so claim is submitted successfully. So this is the claim tracking status, which you can check here. What is the status after 1 week or 10 days? You will also get a message through that also you can verify. Yeah. Now in case if you are a HR or PF accountant, tax consultant, and you are interested to learn about the PF and ESI, along with that we also provide the Karnataka Professional Tax Shop Act and Labor Welfare Fund. Yeah, so all this 5-in-1 you will get at minimum cost. Different plan is available, 3 months, 6 month and 1 year support. So it cost you only 4,999 if you want to go with a 1 year subscription. 3 month subscription 2,999. And if you, this will be in English, and if you want in Tamil language, we have 10x return filing concept, where registration and return filing of all the acts like TDS, income tax, GST, PF, ESI, and Tamil Nadu related professional tax, Shop Act, Labor Welfare Fund. Along with that, we also provide Karnataka Shop Act and professional tax and labor welfare fund. The cost is like 5,999 for a year, and you have to renewal it again and again. Then every year you have to renewal. And if you want for lifetime offer, then it's cost you 9,999. Yeah, so if you are interested, you can register for this other apart from your choice. Yeah, thank you guys, bye.